Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn is an upcoming American superhero film based on the DC Comics team of the same name. In 2016, Margot Robbie made her debut as live-action Harley Quinn in Suicide Squad. While the film overall was critically panned, Robbie's portrayal of Harley was frequently cited as one of the movie's strongest parts, and she became an instant fan favorite. Unsurprisingly, Warner Bros. Was eager to bring the character back, and pushed multiple Harley-related projects into development. Birds of Prey, from director Cathy Yan, is the one that won out and is set for a February 2020 release. By way of Margot Robbie's incredibly popular Harley Quinn, the DCEU is bringing together the clown princess of crime with an impressive roster of lady heroes with rich histories within the pages of DC Comics. Birds of Prey follows Harley Quinn as she joins forces with Black Canary, the Huntress, and Renee Montoya to save Cassandra Cain from Gotham City crime lord Black Mask. The ensemble cast includes Margot Robbie, Mary Elizabeth Winstead, Journey Smollett-Bell, Rosie Perez, Chris Messina, Ella J. Bosco, Ali Wong, and Ewan McGregor. Birds of Prey is scheduled to be released in the United States on February 7, 2020, by Warner Bros. Pictures.